this golden opportunity. Presented sister, brother, friends, and all of my dear brother and sister. Today I am here to deliver a short speech about myself. My name is Saloni Bhandari. I am 9 years old. I live in Kamal 6 Thapa with my family. My school name is Sunshine Boarding School. My mother name is Susmita Bhandari. My father name is Robin Bhandari. My brother name is Shivans Bhandari. My father is
works at the Mark Japa.
Works at the work Japa. My father is 40 years old. My mother is 30 years old. My father is my brother is 8 months. My mother is housewife. My mother tongue in Nepali. My hobby is reading and dancing. My favorite fruit is mango and grapes. My favorite teacher is Prasansa Limbu. Thank you.